Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So what mutual friend is, like if the person who's your friend has added another person but you have not added the person and it is shown in your Snapchat, that's basically what mutual friend is. So I'll be showing you guys how you guys can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And comment down below what type of video we should make next, and if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below and we'll answer you guys and help to solve that problem as well. And watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do this as well. So let's start the video without any further ado. So to see mutual friends on Snapchat, basically you can click on your profile over here, and after you click on profile, scroll down until you see add friends and click on add friends. And on add friends, as you guys can see in this quick add section, every person you see over here is a mutual friend. Now it's not going to show you like whose mutual friend the person is like on Facebook, but over here you can know that these all are mutual friends over here. So like my friend, let's say my friend Abhinav and Suyog, so the people shown over here are the friends of my friends Suyog and Abhinav. So in quick add, only mutual friends are going to be shown, but I would not know if the person Ronish is a friend of Suyog or Abhinav. I only know that they are mutual friend with one of my friends. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, and yeah, you can add them as well, and if I click on this add button, I can add them as well. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer you guys and help you solve that problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.